I don't even know what's going on at Lowe's right now. I mean, they're just giving this stuff away. I went into Lowe's and I'm like checking it out and I'm like, it's like, are they joking? Like, this stuff is so cheap right now. They're giving all, these are all under 100 bucks. I basically got this for free. Like, Lowe's is nuts right now. Because what I wanted was 2 of these maximum output batteries, because these hold their voltage longer, in case you didn't know the difference. When you pull the trigger on a tool, you know, even if it's full, like these are full, these are the regular extended run batteries. Anyway, when you pull the trigger on a fresh battery, the voltage will drop. It will go from 24 down to like 16 maybe. It'll even when it's full. So these maximum ultimate output, whatever, these only drop down, like this one only drops down to like 20 or something like that, and then the big 8 amp drops down to like 22. That's really basically what the difference is. So I wanted a couple of these for like the leaf blower and the impact wrench. So right now, the sale price of these is, for 2 of these, the sale price for 2 of these is the same, not the full price, the sale price for 2 of these is the same if you get this and an extra battery. And this comes with one of these. So you're getting this for free. Because let's say you didn't want this. Let's say, and you went and bought 2 of these, because these are on sale right now, together, as a bundle. If you went and bought 2 of these right now, why would you not buy this kit? Because you're paying exactly the same price. You're getting their XTR drill, their nicer version of the drill. It's not a hammer drill, but it's like the mid-tier drill for nothing, for free. And I don't even really, I mean, these things are under 100 bucks right now. And I just wanted to get them because, you know, they're zombie apocalypse, clearly. I don't even have a use for it. I have a chainsaw. I have a corded chainsaw, but it's not effective for fighting zombies. Maybe pruning some trees too. And then I don't even own a reciprocating saw, so I had to try that. Anyway, let's get these open. Lowe's is going nuts right now with their freaking deals. This feels nice and heavy too. It feels really well made. Look at that. I got me a reciprocating saw now. I think it comes with a blade, yep. Comes with a blade. There we go, it's in there now. A couple of fresh batteries. I haven't got those charged up yet. Look at that. Very nice. I'll try them out in a little bit. We'll save that one for last. This one I really didn't need, but it was just so cheap, and who doesn't need a battery-powered chainsaw? I mean, just saying it. There we go. Just saying it. Battery-powered chainsaw. Ooh, they're trying to keep this one protected. Same price as that. I won't tell you what the price is. I'll let you go look for it yourself. But they are way under 100 bucks right now. Put that there for a second. Nothing in there because this is the tool only, no battery. So don't need those. There's the instruction manual. I have some chain oil in the garage for my other chainsaw that uses a cord. Dun dun dun. Let's just give it a run. I don't have any oil in it, but let's just give it a little. Don't want to run it too long. It's got a little safety catch in the. Alright, I don't want to run that too long. Look at there. Get 2 of these. Take this off, and you'll be able to fight them zombies off when you're out of ammo. That right there that's a selling point all by itself. You know, even if you don't need to prune anything, just a zombie apocalypse fighting weapon that is worth it. Let's get this out. Okay, so an interesting development just happened. It's a little update. This is only like a couple of hours after I made the first part of this video. So this was that deal that came with the 2 batteries, right? Well, one of the batteries, the extra battery, it was the one that was flashing. That one would not take a charge. It would only charge to 3 bars. And you see this one, this is the one that had 1 light still. This one charges all the way up. So I took it back to Lowe's and to let them know, and they didn't have any more of these in stock. So what they did was they gave me credit for the battery. They gave me a refund on the battery itself. So this deal, which was already super cheap with basically a free tool, just got 50 bucks cheaper. So is that, I mean, and they said I could use that credit. I have 30 days or something like that. I can go get, they'll price match a battery. So if they get another one of these in stock, I can use that 50 bucks to go buy another one of these batteries. But I'm just gonna be satisfied with this one. Okay, so I don't have a lot of scrap wood to test this on, but I got this big hole saw. Let's put that on there. All right, and I got this right here. It's not too bad. Let's give that a test. Going the wrong way. No, I'm going the right way. Wow, it's just dull. It's an old one. Speed 2, put it on the other speed. Yeah, that is an old, beat up hole saw. It's very dull. Let's try one more. Oh, other way. Yeah. Let's see what the battery did. Still 3 bars. This is a good one. That other battery, not so much. Start at 2. See what it does at 2. Hey, look at there, it didn't, that stopped perfectly. Well, let's put it on 2.5. Put it on 4. Let's try a fresh one on 4. Oh, see, 4, fresh 4 stripped it out, so that's too much. Let's go back to 2.5. Yeah, that made 2.5 made it, I guess that would be 3. 2.5 made it flush. 4 was enough to strip it. Alright, so we got old Betsy here with the original 10-year-old battery too that still holds a charge. So this is 10-year-old tool, 10-year-old battery. See, this is the older one, so you can't push it on. You have to actually do like that. Yeah, this one's got power levels. See, I always put it on when I'm doing screws. I put it on 1. See, it actually breaks loose right there perfectly. Now let's put that on the big one, number 3, see what it does. It just blows right through it. Actually, I think on speed 1 you could probably do the same thing. It just won't be as violent. Whoops. Fall over, you too. There we go. Yeah, so even, let's see. Yeah, it's still turning it. So even on speed 1, it'll still turn it. And it has this, it has a finish feature. I don't think I've ever used it. Oh, and it stops. So look, so it keeps you from blowing through it. Huh? So you could use that. I have never used that button in 10 years. And that battery's still holding its charge too. So that's what I mean, like I didn't really need this. Except for stuff like this, I had to use a corded saw. I have a corded saw because this won't fit on there. You could put a nut, like a socket on there that would let you do that. And that's usually what I did, was I would put a socket on there and just put some tape around it to hold it in place or something like that. Or use the corded drill. But I don't have to anymore. Now I got this. That's pretty cool. But I didn't even have to pay for it. Let's go up here. Yeah, I have a pole saw. I'm using this just to test it out. Here we go. Oh. It's on there. think that's what tightens the chain up. Yeah, let's try it again. Okay. So let's see what this does. This works good. A thicker one here. Yeah. This works, it's just not as easy and as fast as the chainsaw. You see it's on there. So it's got two knobs. I thought this was the tightener, but it's actually this. This just loosens it and then this tightens it. Yeah, it works. Probably work better on zombies than it will trees though. And then this one works good. Neither one of those activities even dented the battery.